Do you dream of buying a home in Chicago or the beautiful suburbs, but your credit score is holding you back? Don't worry, you're not alone. Today we'll share 9 proven strategies to improve your credit score quickly so that you can achieve your home ownership dream. I'm Hugo with Coldwell Banker. I am your local real estate expert in Lakeview, Chicago, and I serve the Chicagoland and Chicago suburbs. Let's start. I have helped countless clients in the Chicagoland area turning their home ownership dreams into reality, even when credit is a challenge and it seems overwhelming. But let's dive into the 9 strategies to boost your credit score quickly and have your dream come true. Pay credit card balances smart. Keep your credit utilization below 30%, ideally in single digits. Pay down those balances before the billing cycle ends or make multiple payments monthly. Ask for a higher credit limit. Request higher limits if your income has increased or you have a longer credit history. This lowers your overall credit utilization rate. Become an authorized user. Being added as an authorized user on a well-managed account can significantly boost your score big time. Pay bills on time. Late payments can damage your credit for 7 years. Set reminders and automatic payments to stay on track. Dispute credit report error. Regularly review your credit report and dispute any inaccuracy promptly. Deal with collections and accounts. Resolve all collections to prevent legal actions and potentially improve your credit score. Use a secured credit card. Secured cards help establish a history on time payments, which is crucial for credit improvement. Get credit for rent and utility payments. Use services that report your rent and utility payments to the major credit bureaus. Add your credit mix diverse credit types like loans, credit cards can improve your score. Ensure that new accounts report actively to all credit bureaus. And if you find these strategies, you can see significant improvements in your credit score, opening the door to your new home. And remember, you don't have to navigate this journey alone. I'm here to guide you, and I'll refer to you a trusted lender every step of the way. Call me with any questions, 773-550-4846, and let's make your home ownership a dreams come true. I'll be with you holding your hand through every step of the process. So if you found this video informative and educational, don't forget to follow us on all of our social platforms. Like, comment, and share with all your friends and family. Together, we'll turn your real estate dreams into reality.